What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Good morning. It's early. It's not even 5 o'clock a.m. We're heading to the airport, Philly airport, and we're gonna jump on a plane, head to Florida, and we're going to the Mobile Tech Expo in Orlando. So we'll take you through it, you know, the trip there and the different tools they have and see what they got going on. So should be fun. I'm tired, so sorry if I don't seem super excited right now, but we'll get going and we'll take you through it. You could say hi to the cat. Say hi to the little kitty cat. He's just a wild cat that kind of came over here, and my wife decided to take him in and made a nice little bed for him and everything. So anyway, let's get going. So we're inside here at the Mobile Tech Expo. It's pretty cool. It's really packed in here. Lots of companies, different tool companies and things like that. So we'll walk through, take you around it, see what we got. Definitely going to buy some stuff. I already walked around and saw some lights I like from P.D.R Solutions. Pretty cool little pocket light and things like that. So we'll take you around, walk around, see what tools they got, and let's get going.
Thinnest whale tails. These are thinner than, but you have to treat this like a whale tail because the throw is so short. If you try getting it to a wide open area like you would a brace tool, it's going to flop over. So this is only for your super tight spots. The tightest spots that this has trouble getting into, this will slide into and work a lot better. And if you treat it like a whale tail, you can fit in a hole. Because this is 5/16 compared to you need almost 7/16 to get this into. So this one you're going to be able to sneak into a lot smaller hole and get in deeper.
And that's a set there?
Yeah, you can do them individually or you can do the set. You've got left and right specific for working more of your hail damage and your flat panels, or you've got the 32-inch and the 46-inch, which is really good for reaching down at the very front of that door where it starts to pinch into that double skin.
The pneumatic magnet is stronger than the spring in the hand.
Okay.
But you just grab it here, push it, and then you can, whatever you do,
Oh, nice.
you put it this way, you can go down to, or even on your knees, like a lot of technicians.
I'm a dinosaur. I don't work. I sit down. I don't work on my knees. That's how I was taught. It's the only way I can do it. So I'm gonna do this standing up instead.
Okay. Whatever you want, it's an ergonomic handle. The amount of force you have is unbelievable.
Sure.
So be very careful. Sure with these type of arms, because you will save your wrist off.
Yeah.
And you can keep a lot of pressure. At the same time, what the next advantage is we're coming with longer flags and tips it. Because you have way more leverage with this thing.
Right.
Smaller handle needs to come from the wrist because you have this now. We can do way more on the bottom because of that.
And how many people carry these tools with this type of end for this to fit? That's
This-
like
this-
Tequila has that, right?
Everything A1 makes is this.
Okay.
And then we have an ultra connected to all ultra tools and it.
Tell Jonathan, let everybody know they're going to see.
This fitting is different for the ultra tools then?
We have the ultra handle here as well. But this fitting is for A1. You just unscrew all the handles. You keep your tools without the handles and just pop them off. Get on the one you want to use and start working on those doors.
Now you use the hammer, you have to use this guy right here.
little bit good for that. This one's only like a 99 or so. How much? It says it on it.
No, it's not. Oh yeah, you're right.
What?
Now
try this one.
No, that was too big.
Too big? But that's for, you know, the fenders going in the wheel rail, and it has that lip right there. So this will get you around that lip. Oh, so you can use it on the fenders.
And what's that one? More for door edges, something like that?
Door edges, the most popular.
Can you use that other one for door edges too? Just gives you that extra,
it's
that
a little
extra
bit bigger
room.
and a little bit more ergonomic. You're out of the way since it has this built up. See how it comes up? That one is all straight.
That means that one you can use for both.
Yes, you can use for both, but like you said, it's big. So if you're doing primarily doors, then I would stick with this one. But if every now and again you get a fender that, and these tips are interchangeable, so you can put whatever. But yeah, if you're doing all over there, I'd probably go with the big one.
You can go with both. You can go with both.
Yeah.
Or buy both.
And then you have these ones right here that are the same concept, but you use with your mini lift.
Yeah.
So
They're a little awkward sometimes though. Like it would be nice to have a setup just like that.
Yes.
That's what's nice. Yeah. Yeah, I'm gonna pick one of them up.
but yeah, you can put, see, and this is a plastic. You can put a steel and make it a little bit sharper. Go with that P.D.R, P.2 steel, and you're really going to be moving some But again, with those two hard chops in there, I don't know that you're going to move a lot there. If you have any advice on doing something stupid like that, I'm all ears.
Put it there, I think. With the skin out. Yeah. Depends on how much movement you need.
So the little pocket light, how long did the battery last and things like that? Yeah.
We ran it 2 straight days,
Okay.
20 some hours, and it's still
Really? And just what is it like mini USB to charge it or something? Okay, USB-C. Cool.
You can, that is possible. You can melt that as much as you want. You want to do it once, but if you want to take it off, it became a little brittle because of the cold. Just warm it up a little bit. And then if you use your own, then it becomes really.
What's going on here with Mike from Dent? How's it going?
What's going on, guys? How you guys doing?
How long have you been doing it?
Perfecting it for over 30 years now.
Okay. All right. Who trained you, or how'd you get into it?
My stepdad trained me, Sean Paul trained me, and then I basically perfected it, got more passionate on it, and here I am.
Cool. So you do some pretty crazy stuff, right? Like,
Yeah, I do. I challenge my own self, if you want to consider that. But do a little bit of that.
what's the biggest thing when you're starting out? What would you tell somebody to? What's the biggest tip?
Relax. Don't look at the whole dent itself. Look at it in parts of it. Fix small parts at a time. Be patient with yourself. If you get frustrated, get off of it. Go back on it, and just take your time. This is completely different. The dent livers. This is generally not what you want to do. You want to rush into that, but really, just be humble with yourself and believe in yourself. I think that's the main thing.
Right. Cool. All right. Well, thanks, man. Nice meeting you.
Hey, you too.
All right.
Thank you.
Have a good one. All right. So we're finished up with this. Good time. Lots of
neat tools and things to check out. So we're gonna get going. Bought some stuff. I got some glue and different attachments, like different tips for tools. I got a nice cool carbon fiber hail rod here, so I'm excited to use that. But hopefully you enjoyed the video. Once again, if you can, like, subscribe to the channel, and we'll catch you on the next one.